Hey, how's it going? Well, I'm going to try and get this old boat motor I have here. I've had it for, well, probably at least 20 years. I don't think it's ran in those 20 years. It's been hanging in my shed, and I thought, well, why not try and get it running? So I believe it's a 1956. I'd have to check the serial number again, but pretty sure it's 10 horse. So I thought I would open it up and see if it'll run. I have the tank here. It's got the dual hoses. I don't know if it's any good or not, but I thought we'd have a look at it. Okay, so I've already taken the plugs out, and I've taken off the recoil because it seems to be seized up. Not a surprise after sitting for almost 20 years, but maybe longer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tilt it up, and I'm going to throw some oil in here and let it soak for a while. See if that'll help. Because the plugs here, you can see them, one of them has some rust on it. This was the top one. This one doesn't look too bad, but there was a few chunks of rust that came out of that one. So let me tilt this up and we'll soak it with some oil. So I'll just show you what I'm doing here. To prime this system, you need to pump this button. As you can see, there's a bit of a gas leak there. And it is getting stiff, so it must mean it's building pressure. Let's see if it makes a noise. Thought that the gas can would build up some pressure. It does look like it's starting to build pressure. And I haven't touched the carb. I have no idea if it's seized up in there or if it's getting gas. Oh, there is a bowl at the bottom there. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks like there's, if that's old gas or new gas. I think my new gas is blue, this is green. Well, let's pull it over and see what happens. Okay, I doubt very much if this is going to start, but let's give it a try. Choke. Start. Man, this is stiff. Okay, I can hear gas at the carb. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Like I say, this hasn't run in 20 years. Some more choke. Wow, that's pretty amazing that it actually started. I don't even have any water in the tank, so maybe I'll put some water in and then we can run it longer. Okay, so I got some water in the barrel, and let's see if it'll actually run for any length of time. Say all I've done to it, it's been sitting in my shed for at least 20 years, and all I did to it was take the plugs out. And it did seem like it was seized up, so I had poured some oil down the cylinders and let it sit for a week. And that's all. I haven't gone into the carb at all. And you can see there's green gas in there. So let's give it a try. Okay, let's see what happens. Some choke. Oh, hang on here. This throttle is really stiff. Okay, I didn't have it on start. Oh, okay. Hey, check out the smoke from that sucker. Seemed to run not bad. Like I said, it's probably the old gas burning out of it. I know the mix on this is supposed to be 24:1. I had some left over from the snowmobile. And then I added a little bit extra. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it again. Wow, that's a lot of smoke. Well, it's not running great, but it is running. I don't want to overdo it because I don't think I have the right mixture there. Yeah, it's just pretty warm. Might not be quite enough water in there too. All right, well, it does run. All right, well, I think that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm gonna probably look into the carb on that. I don't want to go too much here in case I don't have the right fuel mixture. But she does run. She just needs a little bit of a tune-up. Talk to you later.